Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Garcinia Cambogia powder. First, choose fresh, ripe Garcinia Cambogia fruit. Thoroughly wash the fruit, then carefully peel away its outer skin. Next, slice the fruit into thin, uniform pieces, ideally about 1/8 of an inch thick. This preparation is crucial for the subsequent drying process, ensuring even dehydration and a high-quality final product. Let's move on to drying. Once your Garcinia slices are ready, it's time to dry them. You can use a food dehydrator, setting it to a low temperature, typically around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a dehydrator, an oven set to its lowest temperature with the door slightly ajar also works. The goal is to remove all moisture, making the slices completely dry and brittle to the touch. This step is vital for preventing mold and ensuring a long shelf life. After the Garcinia slices are thoroughly dried, it's time to transform them into powder. Transfer the brittle slices to a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process them until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. For an even smoother texture, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve, regrinding any larger pieces that remain. This ensures a uniform product, perfect for various applications. Now that you have your homemade Garcinia Cambogia powder, proper storage is key to maintaining its potency and freshness. Store the powder in an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When stored correctly, your powder can last for several months, ready for use in your favorite recipes or as a dietary supplement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.